The Rainforest project here as part of the Lead Creative Schools scheme is going really, really well. The kids are working very, very hard building shelters. They're learning how to drill, how to cut wood. They're learning all about engineering, learning about the power of triangles in building structures. And they've been working recently on creating little computers to measure the weather, building weather stations.
It's all been a really engaging project, and what's been interesting is how the children have reacted to different problems and different scenarios, and they're really deep in investigating this themselves, to be fair. They found that they need to be able to work as a team.
I like doing the drilling and cutting the wood. I think it's interesting how it comes together. I didn't know it would look that good as how it looks now.
Seeing how the children can learn in a less structured environment, probably better than many of them learn in a classroom environment. Seeing it in practice has been really valuable. They're definitely practicing their independent working, which was something we wanted to gain from this. Their teamwork, their confidence is growing, so we're definitely exceeding what I hoped we'd get out of it.
The pupils responded very well, actually. They've taken a huge amount of interest in the kind of tools that we're using, the kind of microcontroller, really inquisitive, understand how everything works, connecting all the devices together, and also once a project was completed, going out and testing it.
Taking part in this project has proved to me and shown teachers and the kids as well how important creativity is in their learning. It's opened up a whole new load of possibilities for them. They know how to make stuff now, they know how to measure stuff.
I'm really looking forward to sharing what we've done and the journey of where we started and ultimately where we're going to end up. And of course the rest of the school are asking lots of questions, and the other classes, what are Year 5 doing, what are they up to? So our children really want to share that, and I'm looking forward to that as well.
I enjoy creative learning because it's challenging but fun.
I'm just excited about all the other projects that's going to be, like what else there's going to be.
Yeah, I'm excited to see the ending and see it all finished because we've worked really hard on it.